Alright, let's talk about something that just changed for a lot of people. The child tax credit is getting a boost. And if you got kids or planning on having kids, you're going to want to understand how this works because this could mean more money in your pocket. So let's break this down. So here's the headline. Starting in 2025, the child tax credit is going up. It used to be $2,000 per child, and now it's $2,200 per child. And the IRS says that number will adjust for inflation moving forward. So it's not just a one-time bump. It's a permanent shift to help families keep up with rising costs. Now I know $200 might not sound life-changing, but if you're raising a family right now, every dollar counts. Groceries are up, rent is up, and childcare is insane. And most people I know feel like they're barely hanging on. So if there's a legal way to get more back on your taxes, you take it. So here's how it works. If you got qualifying kids, usually under age 17, and you meet the income limits, you'll get up to $2,200 per child in tax credits. And remember, this isn't a deduction, it's a credit, which means it reduces the actual amount of taxes you owe. So let's say you owe $3,000 in taxes. And if you have 2 qualifying kids, that's $4,400 in credits. So instead of owing money, you'd get a refund. That's how powerful this is. But here's the part people miss. If you don't file your taxes properly or you use an outdated form, you could miss out entirely. So if you're claiming the child tax credit this year or next, double check your eligibility. Make sure your forms are up to date and consider using a free tax filing service or work with someone who knows this stuff. Another tip, if your income has dropped because of a job change or having a new baby, you might qualify for more than you expect. The credit phases out higher incomes, so if you're making less, you might get more. Also, you should update your W-4 with your employer if you want to adjust how much tax is taken out of each paycheck. That way you're not waiting for a refund and you'll get that money sooner. Now, this credit won't solve everything, and it's not going to magically make life affordable again, but it's a step in the right direction. And when you're living check to check, small steps are what build your comeback. So if you got kids, or even if you're planning to start a family, pay attention to this. The government's finally giving a little extra back. Make sure you claim it. That's your update for today. If this helped, or you know someone raising a kid right now, send this their way. And if you want more breakdowns like this, I got some free tools in the descriptions below. Until next time, we'll keep building, even if it's ugly, and I'll see you in the next one.